Hi everybody, how are you? I hope everything is fine. Well, today's lesson is about another process in English which enables you to make new vocabulary. It is called blending, and by blending we mean that it's like you use a blender. You see, when you're cooking, you use two words. You take some part from the first one and then some parts from the second one and add them up, and then you come up with a new vocabulary. I'm sure you have heard the word brunch. Breakfast, lunch together would be brunch. Means a meal served between the time of breakfast and lunch. Maybe you've heard motel. Means motorway hotel, or motor hotel means a hotel which is usually on the way. It's not inside the city. It's a very interesting process which is used in science a lot. For instance, when you have a male lion mating a female tiger, there would be offspring is called a liger, lion tiger. Or if you have a male tiger and a female lion, then you have tigon. These new words are a mixture of the two previous ones. Now what I'm going to do today is I'll give you a list of 20 very common blended words, and then I'll give you my own examples for Khomeini, and that will be it. So come with me and look at the 20 words which are made through the process of blending. Okay, so we have the source words and then what becomes the blended outcome and the meaning. Breakfast plus lunch would be brunch, meal between breakfast and lunch. And then we have smoke plus fog, smog, smoky fog. Motor plus hotel, motel, roadside hotel. And then you have emotion plus icon. You have two blending. You have emoji or emoticon, means graphic facial expression. And then you have information plus commercial. You have infomercial, means TV ad with info style. And then you have spoon plus fork, spork. It's a combined utensil. And then you have biology and electronic, bionic. Means in a way it's life plus electronic, which means artificial body parts. And then you have telephone plus marathon. Telethon means long charity broadcast. And you have glamorous camping, that would be glamping, luxury camping. And fantastic plus fabulous would be fantabulous. So it's a slang for awesome. Then you have web plus log, blog, online journal. Binary plus digit, bit, which is a computing term. And then you have situation plus comedy, sitcom. And then you have global plus English, globish, simplified English used globally. And education plus entertainment, which would be edutainment, teaching through entertainment. And then we have fan plus magazine, which is fanzine. And Spanish plus English, Spanglish. You can have other languages as well, okay? So you have Fenglish, you have Penglish, okay? And many more. And friend plus enemy, which is frenemy, means someone who is both friend and rival. In a way, you have two opposite things together. And in literature, we call it oxymoron, means two opposite things put adjacent. And a very good example is Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet and the balcony scene where Juliet says, "Parting is such sweet sorrow that I shall say goodnight till it be morrow." Sweet sorrow is an oxymoron. Okay, means two opposite things put together. Very well. We have work plus vacation, workation, means working while traveling. And then the last one, we have fantastic, magnificent, and glorious. You can just blend them together as phantasmaglorious. Means extremely good. All right. So much so good with the words. I hope you liked them. And now my two examples for Imam of Aftabeh, Khomeini the Great, would be, I'm going to use both ways. So if Aftabeh is A and the other word is B, I want to have two formations for them. Okay, so the first one would be Khomeini extremely enjoyed riding his Daftabeh. And by Daftabeh, I mean Dak Aftabeh. Okay, so here Aftabeh comes the second, as the second. Okay, so I repeat, Khomeini extremely enjoyed riding his Daftabeh. Okay, for my second example, I'm going to use Aftabeh, the word Aftabeh, as the first part of this blended combination. Okay, so I would say Khomeini loves firing his Aftazuka in hell. And Aftazuka means the blending of Aftabeh plus bazooka. Yeah, the war was something that they felt quite interested in. Yeah, war, killing people was something that he and his kind loved a lot, maybe more than anything else. All right, so that makes today's lesson, because the content was not too long. I'm not going to give you any summary, no need for that. I hope you exercise, practice as always, and looking forward to seeing you soon next time. Until then, goodbye.